This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW X1 steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery, typically found in the trunk. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment during the process. Ensure your steering wheel is perfectly straight before you begin, and have your Torx bit set and a flathead screwdriver ready. Removing the key from the ignition is also a good practice. Now, let's move on to the airbag. You'll find two small holes, usually on the sides or bottom of the steering wheel. Carefully insert a flathead screwdriver into these holes to release the internal retaining clips. It might take a bit of wiggling and patience. Once released, gently pull the airbag unit away from the wheel and disconnect the electrical connectors. Remember to handle the airbag with care. With the airbag safely removed, you'll see the central bolt holding the steering wheel in place. This usually requires a large Torx bit or a socket, often around 16 millimeters. Before removing the bolt completely, it's a good idea to mark the steering wheel and column with a pen for proper alignment during reinstallation. Once the bolt is out, gently wiggle the steering wheel to free it from the spline. With the main bolt removed, gently but firmly pull the steering wheel straight off the spline. Be mindful of any remaining wires, carefully threading them through the wheel's opening as you remove it completely. Store your steering wheel and airbag unit in a safe, clean place. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Remember, reassembly is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and the central bolt is torqued correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.